Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create easily Facebook ads with Canva. This goes same with Instagram ads. The only difference is if you are using or if you are going to do Facebook ads, in Canva they are going to suggest you the rectangular shaped ads, and with Instagram they are going to be squared. But let's go step by step. First things first, we have to log in into our Canva account. And once we are in here, don't worry, by the way, it's completely for free, and you don't even have to give them your credit card information. You can work in Canva completely for free. The monthly subscription is around 13 or 15 euros a month. So if you need to create some kind of more complicated projects, feel free to subscribe to Canva. It's worth it. So as I said before, let's create ourselves an really nice ad for your Facebook profile or for Instagram profile. So we can just write down in the search bar straight away in our Canva workspace, Instagram ad. So as you can see, as an ad, it's 1080 times 1350 pixels. But let's change it, and let's go to create a design on top right corner and click on custom size. Here, let's go with pixels and let's go 1080 times 1080. So we are going to have a square one. On the left side, Canva is already giving you an options for some kind of templates that you can use for your ad. Let's say we are going to create a thumbnail for car washing ad, let's say. Okay, so first things first, let's click on the background, and you see that we can change the background color. We can go like this, or we can change the color as we like it, but let's stay wide. Let's go to backgrounds and, for example, use some kind of templates that maybe we want to use. As you can see, obviously some of them will come with watermarking, and we don't really want it, but this one is nice. I'm gonna stick with this one. It's some kind of marble-ish design. Okay, and now we can either go to photos, as we have right here. We can go with car, and as you can see, where is this little golden crown? That means you have to subscribe to actually use this photo of a car. So I can't use this one, can't use this one, can't use this one, but maybe this one. Okay, so we have a car already. Let's go to the text, and sorry, I'm skipping the steps, and let's go with glow. We can go with sparkle, action, thank you, be brave. But yet again, as you can see, there is a golden crown, so we can't really change it. Huge sale. Maybe this one is actually no, it's too yellow. I want to go with something outstanding, and I'm gonna go with glow option. Okay, car wash. It's really way too big. Oh, okay. I said like this. Okay, We can now use maybe this one, car wash. Let's say Marcus Stone car wash. Obviously this is too big as well. Marcus Stone car wash. We can also add some kind of elements. Let's go with car. We have a couple of elements here, but I saw something that I was actually using before. We have Instagram button, for example. We can use a YouTube button as well. Obviously, behind these, you can easily hide a link that if your customers on this ad will click on your Instagram, it will take them into the Instagram account. If they click on YouTube, it will take it to the YouTube. And then we can also go with the text. Let's go with subheading and go with opening hours. And let's go like this, and maybe we can start like Monday to Friday, and let's go from 8 to 17. Saturday 9 to 17, and let's go with Sunday we are closed. So just like that, you just created very nice, at least for me, very nice ad. So it's really easy with Canva. You can straight away then click on share button, for example, and download the whole project. You can download it as PNG, which is probably the most useful one, or JPEG, but that's a flat out image and you won't be able to keep up the links. And then SVG, obviously SVG is only for paid customers. So that's about it, guys. If you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video and I try to answer them as quickly as I can. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.